Well, I'm fine, and I know it's been quite a long time since I posted in a while. Actually, I've been to Bangkok. I'm presently here, and things are really crazy. That's why I'm not getting time to post anything. Anyway, so today we are going to be trying spaghetti in microwave, and even this is my first time doing something like this, but I don't know what the result might be. So let's just find out. Hey, so I hope you liked the video. Please let me know in the comments below, and let's try this out. Well, I've also added some scrambled eggs, which is also cooked in microwave, so you can give it a shot. Or if you want to add some veggies, you can do that also. And I'm gonna add some more herbs. You can do it as per your preference, whichever herb you like the most. I like all of them, so I'm going to add all of them. And yeah, do let me know whenever you try it, and if you need some advice or you want me to make some improvements either in the video or in the recipe, do let me know about the same as well. And I hope it turns out to be okay. So let's try it out. Spaghetti cooked in microwave with scrambled eggs. Okay, so it's actually good. I mean, not to be bragging or anything, but I didn't know that it would turn out to be more than decent. Yeah, I would like to rate it more than decent. So I'll keep trying new videos, new recipes, and I will try making new things in microwave till I'm here. And I will also keep showing you glimpses of Bangkok and what a wonderful city it is. Till then, keep smiling and take care. And also don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, because That's really important. Okay, bye bye.